Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Vaidyanna. We have seen first and second lesson, picture 1 and picture 2. Now unit number 3, Atmasradhayaha Prabhavaha. Prabhavaha, that you know, effect. Atmasradhaya. Atmasradhaya means self-confidence. The title of the lesson, effect of self-confidence. Effect of self-confidence. The title of the lesson, unit number 3. This is the story about Eklavya. You have heard the name of Eklavya, who was master in archery, and by making the statue of Guru Dron, he learned archery. Not only this, became the great archer with his self-confidence. See the story? Ekah balakah asitah. Ekah, that you know, one. Balakah, child. Asitah means was. There was a child. Tasya naam Eklavya asitah. Tasya means his. Naam, that you know, name. Eklavya asitah. Asitah means was. His name was Eklavya. There was a child or boy, his name was Eklavya. Saha Dhanurvidya Patitum Ichti Sma. Saha means he. Dhanurvidya, art of bow, archery. Ichti Sma, desire, wants. He wants to learn or wish to learn archery. Again, first paragraph. Ekaha balakaha asika. There was a child or boy. Tasya naam Eklavya asitaha. His name was Eklavya. Sa Dhanurvidya patitum ichti sma. He wished to learn archery. Saha means he. Dhanurvidya means archery. Patitam means learn. And ichti sma means wish. He wished to learn archery. Clear? Second paragraph. Ekada sa. Ekada means one day or once. Sa means he. Dronacharyasya samipam agachat. Once or one day. Sa means he. Dronacharyasya means through Dronacharya, name of his guru. Samipam agachat. Went to Dronacharya. Once or one day he went to Dronacharya, Avadacha, and told him or said, what he said, see in inverted comma, Gurudev means, O Guru, O teacher, Aham api dhanurdhara bhavitum ichchami. Aham means I, api means also, I also. Dhanurdhan patitum ichchami. I also want to learn archery. What is second paragraph? Once or one day he went to Dronacharya and said, O Guru, I want to learn archery. I want to become great archer. Krupya ma svikuru. Kindly accept me. He said to Dronacharya. Again, one day or once he went to Dronacharya. Samipam means near. Went to near Dronacharya and said, Gurudev, O teacher, O Guru, aham api dhanurdhar bhavitam ichchami. I also wish to become a skilled archer. Krupya ma svikuru. Please accept me. Acharya Pratyavadat. Acharya said, Aham Kauravan Pandavan cha Pathyami. I teach only Kauravas and Pandavas. Who said? Dronacharya said. Guru said, Aham Bhaktaha Shishya Rupen Swikaram Kartu Na Shaknomi. I cannot accept you as my student. Dronacharya said this word. Kartu na shaknoti. I cannot accept as my शिष्य और disciple. परंतु आचार्य प्रति तस्य श्रद्धा शिथिला न अभवत्. Yet he did not lose faith, or his faith towards his guru did not become less. Even though Guru neglected him, even though Guru refused his proposal and telling, I cannot teach you, I can only teach Kauravas and Pandavas, yet his faith did not become less. What he want to say? Next paragraph. Saha Acharyasya Drodasya Ekam Murti Arachyat. Saha means he. Arachyat means made. He made. Murti means statue. He made statue of Dronacharya. Statue he made. Because Dronacharya neglected him, refused him, accept as his disciple. Yet he did not lose faith in his guru. He made the statue of Dronacharya. And sa pratidinam murtim anmata. Every day he bowed down to that statue. Pratah kalat sayam paryantam, from morning to evening. Pratah kalat, from morning. Sayam paryanta, till evening. Dhanur vidya abhyasam akarot. He did the practice. From first he made a statue of Acharya Drona. He used to bow down to the statue. Every day he would practice archery from morning to evening. From morning to evening. Sanehi Sanehi, slowly, slowly, sa kusalaha dhanurdhara abhavataha, he became expert archer. Slowly, slowly, he becomes skilled archer. Ekda tasmin vare Guru Drona Pandave Kaurava cha sah agachatah. One day, Guru Drona came with Kauravas and Pandavas. Cha sah agachatah, went with Kauravas and Pandavas. Eka kupuraha tan drashtva abhasatah. One dog started barking on seeing them. When one day Guru Drona went to the forest with Kauravas and Pandavas, seeing them, one dog started barking. Tan drashtva vasatah, seeing them and dog bark. Arjun dhanusyam utpayati sma. Arjun picked up the bow. Tadev eklavyah bane tasya kukurasya mukham asivyatah. At that instance, at that time, Eklavya stitched, means closed, up the dog's mouth with arrows. Before Arjun lit arrows, Eklavya Stop dog's mouth with the arrows. See in the pictures. Kukurasya mukham asivyatah. Stop dog's mouth by arrow. How can dog bark then? Dronacharya etat. Dronacharya came there. Seeing this, Dronacharya came there. Drashtva tatra agasat chatam apushat. Came there and asked. Dronacharya came there and asked. What he asked? Kaha tava acharya? Who is your teacher? Who is your guru? Who asked? Dronacharya asked Eklavya. तदा सह द्रोणाचार्यस्य तां मूर्तिम अदर्शयतः. Then he saw the statue of Dronacharya. Then he saw the statue of Dronacharya. एकलव्य गुरुश्रद्धाया स्वश्रद्धाया प्रतीकम अस्ति. Eklavya is an example of faith in the teacher and self-confidence. Guru Shraddhaya, faith in teacher, and Swashraddhaya, faith in confidence, self-confidence. He is the example of faith in Guru and self-confidence. Eklavya asman shikshati. Eklavya teaches us. What? Teaches us. Swayam jyoti swayam pragnaha bhavatu. Eklavya teaches us, become your own light and discerning intelligence. Own light. Swayam jyoti and swayam pragna. By our own intelligence, knowledge. Tadi asmasu atmasudaya asti, tadi koapi siddhi durlabha nasti. If we have self-confidence, then yadi asmasu atmasudaya asti, if we have self-confidence or full of confidence, tahi kapi siddhi durlabha nasti. Then no achievement will be difficult to attain, to get. Anantaram atmasraddhaya balansa sresthanudara bhavati. Then he became the best archer on the strength of self-confidence. That shows that even though Dronacharya did not accept as his disciple, he did not leave hope, he kept it continued by making the statue of Dronacharya and become expert archer. Clear? So that brings the end of this translation lesson. Now see, glossary you have to prepare. See, meanings. Pathitum means for learning, bhavitum means to be, pratyavadat means responded, na saknomi is not able or unable, bhavatah means your, shithila means less, pratidinam means every day, sanehi very slowly or slowly, tade means soon, kukura means dog, anantaram means later on, yadi tahi then if, anmat means bowed, pratah kalat from morning, na abhavat not become, utpayati takes up, astivyat means stop, and asman means us. You know the meaning of this particular word, then it is very easy for you to translate Sanskrit into English. If you do not prepare the meaning glossary, then it is somehow difficult. So, you should think about this particular point. We must take into consideration. See question number 2, sorry. These words you have to write, pronounce the following words. See, I pronounce the particular words. You should keep in mind. See, then it is possible. Exercise question number 1, pronounce the following words properly. Because first time you study, so naturally the pronunciation somehow looking hard. As in Eklavya, धनुर्विद्यां द्रोणाचार्यस्य अगच्छत् स्वीकुरु प्रत्यवदत् शिष्यरूपेण पर्यन्तम् उत्थापयति गुरुश्रद्धायाः स्वयं ज्योतिः दुर्लभा. Again this pronunciation. एकलव्यः धनुर्विद्यां द्रोणाचार्यस्य अगच्छत् स्वीकुरु प्रत्यवदत् शिष्यरूपेण पर्यन्तम् उत्पायति गुरुश्रद्धायाः स्वयं ज्योतिः दुर्लभा. अगेन एकलव्यः धनुर्विद्यां द्रोणाचार्यस्य अगच्छत् स्वीकुरु प्रत्यवदत् शिष्यरूपेण पर्यन्तम् उत्थापयति गुरुश्रद्धायाः स्वयं ज्योतिः दुर्लभा. In this way you have to clear this particular pronunciation, then it is possible to learn it in proper way. We must think about it, then it is possible. Next, that is question answer. एकलव्यः धनुर्विद्यां पठितुं कस्य समीपम् अगच्छत्. Question number 1, main question number 2, question number 1 among them. एकलव्यः धनुर्विद्या पठितुं कस्य समीपम् अगच्छत्. Where did or to whom Eklavya went to learn archery. एकलव्यः धनुर्विद्या पठितुं द्रोणाचार्यस्य समीपम् अगच्छत्. In place of kasya you have to write only word द्रोणाचार्यस्य and interrogation mark cut and you have to write full stop, because in answer giving, in answer question mark not coming, full stop coming. See, एकलव्यः धनुर्विद्या पठितुं कस्य समीपम् अगच्छत्. Where did or to whom Eklavya went to learn archery. In place of kasya you have to write only द्रोणाचार्यस्य. So answer will be एकलव्यः धनुर्विद्या पठितुं द्रोणाचार्यस्य समीपम् अगच्छत्. Eklavya went to Dronacharya to learn archery. Clear? Number 2. Eklavya Dronam Kim Avadat. What did Eklavya say to Dron? Eklavya Dronam Kim Vadat. Kim means what? Avadat means tell. What did Eklavya tell Dronacharya? Answer Eklavya Dronam Avadat. Eklavya Dronam Avadat. Then comma, inverted comma. Then what is it told? See, Gurudev aham api dhanurdaram pavitum ichchami krupya ma svikuru. See, same words you find in this lesson that you have to write. First you have to write what? Eklavya Dronam Avadat, then comma, inverted comma, and this line given. See, same words you have to write. What words? Gurudev aham api dhanurdara bhavitum ichchami krupya ma svikuru. Please accept me. That is the answer of second. Third, Dronaha Eklavyam kim avadat. What did Drona say to Eklavya? Drona Eklavyam kim avadat? What did Guru Drona say to Eklavya? Drona Eklavyam avadat. Drona said to Eklavya, Aham Kauravan Pandavan cha patyami. I can teach Kaurav and Pandavas. Avam bhavatah shishya rupen swikaram kartu na shaknomi. I cannot accept you as my disciple, or I cannot teach you as my disciple. What he said first? That I can only teach Kauravas and Pandavas. I cannot teach you as my disciple, Shishya. I cannot accept you. And number 4, Eklavya Banehi Kivakarot. What did Eklavya do with bow? Eklavya Banehi Ekasya Kukurasya Mukham Asidyat. Eklavya stopped the mouth of the dog with the help of arrow. Eklavya Bane Ekasya Kukurasya Mukham Asidyat. That you have to add. Eklavya Banehi, then we have to add Kimakarot cut. And in this way, Ekasya Kukurasya Mukham Asivyat. He stopped a mouth of a dog with the help of bow. Dronacharya Eklavyam Kim Apuchat. What did Dronacharya ask Eklavya? Dronacharya Eklavyam Apuchat. Dronacharya said to Eklavya, what? Kaha tava acharya? Who is your guru? Who is your guru? Dronacharya Eklavyam kim apuchat? Then Dronacharya Eklavyam apuchat kaha tava acharya? Who is your guru? That we should keep in mind. Clear? Next, question number 3. Main question number, fill in the blanks. Eklavya Dhanur Vidya Patiram Des Samipam Agachat. See, finding the words from the bracket. See, given on page number 13. See. Eklavya Dhanur Vidya Patitam Des Samipam Agachat. Eklavya went to Des to near to learn Dhanur Vidya or archery. To whom he went? Dronacharyasya. So in first filling the blanks, Dronacharyasya coming. What? Dronacharyasya coming. Second, Eklavyasya des Shraddha Sthitila na bhavat. Eklavya's faith did not become less. Fine. Acharya Prati towards his guru. So second coming Acharya Prati. First Dronacharyasya, second Acharya Prati. Eka Kukuratan Draštva des. One dog seeing him start barking. For barking, which word is there? Abhasat. So in third one, Abhasat coming. And last, Eklavyasya asman dash swayam jyoti swayam bhavatu. Eklavya asman shikshayati, teaches us. Shikshayati means teaches us. Swayam jyoti swayam prajnaha. Become own light and using intelligence. Swayam prajnaha, knowledge. So 4 words given in the bracket and 4 sentences fill in the blanks giving, finding correct words, and after reading the sentence you have to write it. Clear? Now make meaningful sentences using this word. See, Dhanurdharaha, Arjun Mahan Dhanurdharaha Asti. Use these words, use into a sentence. Second one, Balaka, Balakaha Nirdosh Bhavati. Naturally, child is innocent. Nirdosh means innocent. Sishya, disciple. Hai Sishya Satyam Vada Dharmacharaha. Hai Sishya Satyam Vada Dharmacharaha. That means, our disciples speak truth. Dharmacharaha, follow religion. And last word, Kukuraha means dog. Kukuraha Ratri Samaye Bahu Basti. The dog barks higher at night. You have to use this word in your sentence. Next, that is filling the blanks, correct form of the words. Pat then patitum, bhav then bhavitum. Then see again, right or wrong is there in question number 5. See on same page. Right arm against the right and na against the wrong. Means if sentence right, then have to write arm. If sentence wrong, then have to write na. Eklavya Ishwar Shradhaya Pratikam Asti. Eklavya is the sign of full confidence in God. Na, that means wrong. Full confidence in his guru and himself. So first one, wrong means na coming. Or you can do the sign of wrong one also, it will do. Eklavya banehi kukurasya mukham asivyataha. Eklavya stop the mouth of the dog with the help of arrow. It is correct. Third, Acharya Prati Eklavya Shraddha Sthitila na abhavat. His confidence, faith, not become less towards Acharya. That is also means correct. And Dronacharya Eklavya Shishyarupan Swikaram Kartu na Shaknomi. Dronacharya cannot accept Eklavya as his disciple. As his disciple. Next, filling the blanks using the correct form of the word. Sa Dhanurvidya Pathitum. See, bracket pat given, from pat it become Pathitum. See on new page. Dhanurvidya Pathitum. Ichti, he wants to learn archery. Sa Adhyapakaha Bhavitum Ichti. From now it become Bhavitum. Aham roti ka ichhami. Aham roti ka khaditum ichhami. I want to eat chapatis. Bhavan udyane dash ichti va. Chalitum. Bhavan udyane chalitum ichti va. You want to walk on the or in the garden. This particular lesson comes to an end. See these particular words given. Vahanam, Sakatam means a cart, Dvichakrika bicycle, Vayuyanam aeroplane, and Jalyanam means a ship. Clear? I will send the photocopy in PDF of this translation as well as fill in the blank question answer. You will prepare from this. This brings the end of this particular lesson. Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.